Hello everybody, Big Jimmy here. Here in St. Stephen, New Brunswick. And heading over to the mall. Today is day let me see, for this cold, like I say, it's agonizingly close to be getting better. It's not. Still get the odd stuffy nose, the odd cough, and weariness. I'm heading over to the grocery store because, well, why not? Get a couple of things over there. I'm sure by the time I get there, my wife will be going, "Why'd you get that?" There's a couple things that I was supposed to get, and I can only remember one. Ladies, do your husband have problems with that, or is it just me not remembering? It's 4 degrees today, 36 or so Fahrenheit. Rainy poo. It's chilly though, 4 Celsius, the slight breeze and rain. It's chilly rain. Last night didn't do too much. To say, it's just this cold's irritating. I still get the odd chest throat ache. I have to use some Tristan about once a day, twice a day, just to open my nose. It will be it'll be 3 weeks with this cold. The first 2.5 weeks are just horrendous. No, it's not COVID. I tested 3 times, went to the doctor. They tested a couple of times. It wasn't that, so. But I'm just gonna have to wait. My doctor, of course, his office is, and I could go to the outpatient and sit there for fucking 9 hours, however long it takes. But what am I gonna do? Tell me to go see my doctor, and but I've got the. I mean, I could have a little bit of sinus infection or something. I don't know. I know I don't have any type of what do you call stuff when you get your lungs filling up. Anyway, I don't have that. It's just a nasal cavity and the odd cough. And Five Kings restaurant there, at the train station. Simply for Life, I was in the other day and still waiting for them to call with my winter oyster feed. I need it. Brown sugar, I gotta get that. What have you guys been doing anyways? This is Saturday, Saturday here. Not much going on here. Just trying to get rid of the rest of this cold. Took some stuff out of the house into the garage. Tomorrow I can, when it's not raining, we gotta take the patio furniture into the garage. Wife's gotta help because operation's still not coming yet, but at least I'm on the list. And go to see her before too long. Nothing else is going on. My beloved Oregon Ducks lost the Pac championship yesterday, but what are you gonna do? 34-31, the Huskies. They're pretty good. They ran all over us is a problem. Our quarterback, Bo Nix, is going to be a high draft pick. Guess we'll just have to wait till next year. I'm a Chargers fan too, so Herbie's from there. Herbie was a Duck. And I'll just wait for the Chargers to get done screwing up their season. They're excellent at it. Looks like I'm not parking there. I like to park next to the cart corral so I don't have to take my cart back. You know what I'm saying? Now I can come in here. Straight ahead. Yeah. So we do that. You have to take your bags in now. You can't have plastic bags in here anymore. So believe it or not, this time I remembered to go into the garage and grab one of the 15,000 grocery bags. Take it into the grocery store. So that's good. Thanks for coming along on Saturday. Give me a thumbs up if you like daily vlogs, and don't mind this one. I'll talk to you tomorrow.